At competition, it's just an overall feeling of extreme excitement. I am part of Clarkson Formula Knights, and I am the Aerodynamics subteam lead, which means I design the aerodynamic package for the car. When I was looking at colleges to apply to, Clarkson really spoke to me because it had the speed teams, which is such a hands-on activity that would get me real-world experience outside of the classroom. When going and preparing for the actual driving events, it's really an exhilarating experience, and it just really gets up the energy of everyone on the team and can't wait to see how the car is going to perform. When I first started driving the car, I thought I was going to be terrified and scared the whole time. But once you're in the car and you're in your zone, it's just really freeing. And driving at competition, you get all those excitements and the adrenaline rush, and it's really a really great experience that I don't think I would ever have anywhere else. I think prospective students should really consider Clarkson as the place to be because it has so many different facilities and opportunities that you can access, labs that will really give you real-world experience, professors who have that experience in the industry and then will help you to guide you along your career path. Personally, I've been able to talk to professors who have worked at Boeing and NASA, which is where I want to go with my career. So it's really an amazing experience to be here and be surrounded by all these different professors and students who have amazing life experiences. After graduation, I plan on using my major to go into the more aerospace industry of things. NASA and rockets has always been a major interest to me, so I'm really hoping that I can be able to work at NASA one day.